Hello guys, this is a video on perpendicular bisector. In the last video I talked about angle bisector, so you have a little bit of concept of the meaning of bisector. Again, just to repeat, bisector means cutting something into two equal halves. The last video is talking about the angle. You're going to cut an angle into two equal angles, but now it's called perpendicular bisector. So perpendicular bisector has two hidden meanings. The first one, bisector, cutting a line into two halves. The second one is perpendicular. This line over here, the line that you use to cut into two equal halves, has to be perpendicular to the line you were cutting. Obviously, you can cut the line this way, right? But it's not perpendicular. So that's the meaning of perpendicular bisector. Okay. Now, if you have a perpendicular bisector and you join the two corners to a point anywhere on the line, same point, you will produce two equal lines, which is an isosceles triangle. If you have an isosceles triangle, you can actually produce a perpendicular bisector by drawing a line through the middle. Okay. Now let's just do one question. Number 2. In the figure, BEC is a straight line. AE is a perpendicular bisector of BC. So it shows that it's perpendicular and it also bisects the line BC. AB is equals to AD. AB equals to AD. ADC is 54 degrees, which is shown already in the figure. Find ACD. Where's that? ACD. This one over here. So our job is to find this one, and let's see what we can do. Okay, so two equal lines. Is that going to be useful? Not sure. Okay, so by the property of angle bisector, if AE is perpendicular to BC and BE is equals to EC. Remember the properties. If you have an angle bisector and then you draw two lines at a point like A over there, it will produce equal lines. So therefore, AB is equals to AC. There's no references for this, I believe. Yep, I don't see any references. Hooray. Therefore, yes, so this is important because I can have an isosceles triangle here. So in triangle ACD, angle ACD is equals to 54 degrees as well because it's isosceles triangle base angles isosceles triangle. So this one here is 54 degrees now. And ta-da, we found the angle we need. So 54 degrees is the answer for this question. Okay, so I guess let's just maybe go through. Number 1, identify all the perpendicular bisector. I see DF bisecting AB over here, so DF is one of them. I see another one here, right? So FE is the perpendicular bisector, not BC, okay? It's FE because FE is used to cut this line over here. Any more? Yeah, so this one, although this is perpendicular, but because we don't know whether it bisects, actually there's no piece on the left, so it doesn't bisect anything. Therefore, there's only two answers. DF, FE. Okay, so that is it for perpendicular bisector. Good luck for your homework. Goodbye.